Father's Day is only a week away. Are you ready? If your dad loves traveling, then I've got some great gift ideas coming up. Welcome to the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and on this channel, I share travel planning tips, vlogs, reviews, and recommendations so you can save time, money, and headaches when you travel. Today's video is all about Father's Day. It's right around the corner, and I know there are a lot of travel-loving dads out there that would love the latest gear. I've got lots of options for you, so I'm going to break it down into some categories, so let's get going. First and foremost, I have all the links for everything I'm going to talk about in the description below, so make sure you go check that out. All right, so first and foremost is backpacks, because let's face it, dads love backpacks. Throw it on there, really easy to carry through the airport or any way that they're traveling, whether they're hiking or whatever. So I've got some great options for you. First is the Ebags Motherload. If that doesn't tell you it holds a whole lot of stuff, well, let me tell you, you could pack for an entire weekend in this sucker. There's so many little hidden pockets and compartments, your dad's gonna love it. And it even holds up to a 19-inch laptop, which is perfect if he's going on a work trip. I actually have the carry-on roller version behind me that I love, and the backpacks are just as great. So I want to talk about a day pack, because let's face it, when you get to your destination, you're not looking to haul around your big old backpack with you. You want something small and convenient that you can bring with you just for a day. So I've got this Zomaki little fold-up backpack. It is amazing. I used it on my recent trip to Spain, and because it folds up so small and compact, it's great to throw it in your backpack, your main travel gear, and then just pull it out for a day pack. And it folds up, and then it's super easy. So you just unfold it and open it up like so, and you've got a full-size backpack. This thing carries a whole bunch of stuff. It's durable, it's waterproof, lightweight, perfect for your day trips. Pick one up for dad. So the next option is another great day pack, but this is a little bit more built-in security. This is the Travelon Anti-Theft Slingpack, and it's a great day pack for you. It's got these really great little locking zippers, so it can scare away those potential pickpockets for your dad, and he can feel nice, safe, and secure. It's got a ton of room and space inside. It's even got the RFID blockers, so you can put your credit cards and everything in here and not have to worry about anybody trying to scan it. And even one of my favorite features, it has this cool little flashlight. So if you have your keys in the bottom of the bag and it's light out, you can shine that flashlight in and be able to find everything you need. All right, let's move on to drink containers, because when you travel, it's really important to have, a travel mug, a water bottle that's reusable, so you're not going and spending a ton of money at convenience stores and the like. So I have two things for you here. My first one is for coffee. It is the Zojirushi. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's the stainless steel thermos. This thing keeps your beverages hot for up to 12 hours, and it's spill proof, so even if it goes sideways, your drink won't. All right, so we also need to keep dad hydrated while he's traveling, and I recommend the HydroFlask. This thing is awesome. You can put ice in it before you go through security, fill it with water post-security, so you have nice cold ice water through the duration of your flight. These things are super durable, and they come with a lifetime warranty. What could be better? All right, let's dive into some tech, because what dad doesn't love some cool tech gadgets when he travels? So the first thing you're going to want to get him is some noise canceling headphones. Now there is a wide range of headphones available in this category. Some are a little less expensive, and you can go all the way up to the primo Bose. So I will say Bose is at the top of their game when it comes to noise canceling. And while these are a little bit on the pricier side, they are awesome and they do the work. So if Bose is a little out of your price range, then dive into these Sony ones. They're under $200, and they do a great job with the noise canceling, and the quality of the sound is really great. So these, again, are going to be in the description below. They also come in this really cool carrying case, so it really makes it convenient for travel, protects your gear. Another option for dad are the Apple Airpods. They have the Pro version as well as the regular version. I definitely recommend getting the self-charging case though, because when you're traveling, you don't want to have to be running around looking for an outlet. All right, and finally, to get all of that tech gear going, especially when he's traveling abroad, you want to get him the Skyroam Solis wireless connector. This will give you Wi-Fi no matter where you are in the world, and you can connect up to 10 devices on this thing. It is super convenient, very compact, easy to travel with, and it works great for both iOS and Android devices. All right, next up, we're gonna get into safety while traveling, because let's face it, we wanna keep Dad nice and safe when he's traveling around the world. And the very first one I have for you is this travel folio from Bellroy. Now, this is definitely your luxury piece, but it has everything you need and will keep Dad super safe and all his important documents nice and close and secure so that he can travel with peace of mind. Next up is a little bit more of a budget option. It's called the Travelon Passport Neck Folio. So this has a little string that goes around your neck. It goes under your shirt, and then it has a billion pockets. It will fit up to 2 passports in here. Plus it has all these really deep pockets so you can jam pack full. And very conveniently, it has a pen for when you have to fill out those customs and immigration forms on the airplane. Along the same theme of safety is this money belt. This thing is really cool, packs a punch. You can fit a ton of stuff in there. And again, goes around the waist under your garments, so it's really close to you, and it keeps all of those valuables safe so he can travel with peace of mind and deflect those pickpockets. Finally, if Dad does travel a lot and he checks his baggage, or if he's just prone to losing things, then this tile pack is really gonna help him out. These little digital tiles, you put them in your luggage, you put them with your valuables, and then they connect to your phone and tell you where your stuff is. So if you ever have lost your keys, if you've lost your luggage and you want to find out where they are, this thing is awesome because it tracks it, gives you a GPS location so you know where your stuff is. Next, let's talk about comfort, because we want to keep Dad nice and comfortable while he's traveling. He might suffer from swollen ankles, and I can tell you these compression socks are the best thing ever. I have that problem if I go on too long of an airplane, my ankles swell up, so I always wear compression socks. But there are a variety of choices out there. The ones that I'm linking in the description are definitely the men's style. They really help keep that blood circulating great so Dad can travel in comfort and be healthy. All right, now sometimes Dad may need to travel overseas on a red-eye flight, or maybe he's just flying across the country and he's catching that 6 a.m. flight or the really late night flight and he'd like to doze off. These eye masks are amazing. They keep out all of the lights. They're perfect to help Dad fall asleep quickly and soundly. And this particular one actually has a carrying case as well as earplugs. Finally, you need to have a travel pillow, especially if you're gonna doze off, because nobody likes sleeping with your head hanging here, your head hanging there, your head hanging there. You wake up and you have neck problems. So the best one that I've found is Turtle. This is a completely adjustable neck brace pillow that allows you to comfortably fall asleep no matter if you're in the center seat, the window seat, or the aisle, because it's completely adjustable to you. And finally, with comfort, when Dad's traveling, weather can be unpredictable. So he may not want to travel with a big bulky coat. But I found these little travel coats from Uniqlo. Now they have them online, but I'm going to also link some others in the description so you can pick one up. But they fold up as small as this, and then it's a really nice windbreaker. So it opens up to this really nice full-size windbreaker. Even has a hood, super lightweight. You barely even know that you have it, but it adds that extra level of comfort when that weather is changing. All right, so I want to wrap up with some cool, unique, and kind of off-the-wall choices that might be fun to get for Dad. So this first one is perfect for the camping enthusiast because it's a flask that's also a flashlight. It actually has 2 shot glasses in it that you can take apart, open up, and still light your way. The next one is the LuminAid inflatable solar light. This is awesome, whether or not you're camping or even if you're just going to be out at night and you need something to light the way. This thing is awesome. It lights up and even be used as a phone charger. Another one is the GoTenna. Now this thing is really cool because it allows for texting and messaging when you have no cell service. So if you're a hiker, you're a camper, and you're going to be out in the backwoods, this thing is awesome because it allows your device to connect and to communicate via text message when you don't have Wi-Fi or access to any kind of cell tower. And finally, this last one I thought was really cool. It's a carry-on cocktail kit. It comes in 4 varieties for the cocktail lover. Now, I don't know if you can make it on the plane or not. You probably can. But for sure, when you get to your destination, you have all the makings for your dad's favorite cocktails so he can relax and unwind. So those are my top choices for Father's Day gift ideas for those travel-loving dads. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up and comment in below which one you're going to get your dad and tell me how he enjoys it. Most of these items are available on Amazon. Click that 2-day shipping and you'll have it there before Father's Day. Thank you all for joining me on the Traveling Cheesehead. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content coming to you every Tuesday, Thursday, and sometimes a bonus on Saturday. Catch you next time. Until then, travel safe.